The X700 and the X550 are brand new portable fold-out horses from Xtorque. Both models are sold in pairs and they're built from all steel components, so they're tough. Fast assembly and simple pack down are signature to the design of these horses. You simply lock those legs and you're ready to go. There's a handle up on top, make it easy to get in and out of your truck, and the feet pivot, making it really stable. With just a couple of 2x4s and a sheet of material, you can turn these horses into a job site table, which is really handy. The X550 has these adjustable support pegs on the front, so you can stand up sheet material. They also, between the two of them, can support 996 kilograms. The X700 has these adaptable legs, so you can adjust the height from a good soaring height up to a workbench height. And a pair of X700s can take a load of 1,178 kilograms between them. Both models have a non-slip surface on the top. The X700 also has this groove down the center, which is great for cutting round or narrow material. These horses are all steel, tough construction, and will adapt to the job on the go. If you've got any questions about these sawhorses from Xtorque, hit me up in that comment section below. And until next time, I'm Tim. You're watching Sydney Tools TV.